Good morning, peeps. It is 6:18. We are heading out to a hike. Gonna go look at a waterfall also. Yeah. I'm not sure what something else is included, but we're gonna see what's happening. It's time to go. I am clearly not a morning person. What's up, guys? It's your girl Nicole Mercedes, and welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back, babes, if you're not. Today, we are going on an all-day excursion exploring the natural beauty that's here in Costa Rica. We booked a tour through Viator, and we were picked up at our hostel. So right now, we're headed on a 2-hour drive from Taramindo to Llanos de Cortez waterfall that is located in Bagaces. It's so pretty out here. Before you get into the park, you want to take note of the regulations to follow. There's no smoking. Do not feed any animals you come in contact with. No fires, no diving. There are no adventure sports allowed on premises. Do not climb the waterfall, and we can't have alcohol, unfortunately. The falls are open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and with an entrance fee of $7 for adults and $4 for kids. Plus, parking is free. Oh, this one with all of the steps, or this one we go hiking will have all the stuff?
This is totally different. This is the easy one, the easiest one.
I'll say, because that next one we'll be moving very slow.
Be careful, can be asleep.
If you're not trying to get hurt and or drown, stay away from everything in the red over here. Oh, okay. Thank you. You gotta stick to the middle.
There was a dip and we didn't know.
Ooh. Shit, this cold. It is cold. It's cold. Okay. This is right here. Oh my god. It is okay. This is so pretty though. Can I even see it? I can't see it. I don't know if I could just down lower. Okay. This is great, but like there's parts on here that we can't go deeper. You're gonna like it might not come back up. This place is absolutely stunning, and it's just the first stop on this all-day tour. From Viator, the tour that we selected was the Rio Celeste hike and Llanos de Cortez waterfall tour. Included in our tour is a round-trip hotel transport. We're gonna have lunch. The national park fees are included. You also have a driver and a guide all day. It is bilingual. And it starts at 6:30 a.m. and most likely you're not going to get back till at least 6 p.m. Look out for the next video in this Costa Rica series because we're going to visit the blue waters of the Rio Celeste waterfall and also go to a sloth sanctuary. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!